Hello friends, myself Rakesh Roshan from Learn Tech to Tech channel. This is the video on C++ and I am covering the topic looping statement in this video. Let us see what are the different types of looping statements are available in C++. First of all, you see on the screen there is a for loop statement, and this for loop statement is one of the type of loops in C++, and the syntax for the for loop is that for then the argument of the for loop is divided into three parts, divided and separated by the semicolon, and separated by the semicolon. You see that this is separated by the semicolon, and there are three expressions. And if in these three expression, this first expression is for initializing the values, and second expression for checking the conditions, and third expression for initialize for increment or decrement the variables values. And the inner statement will execute only whenever the whenever the condition of the middle expression will be true. Then what are the sequence of these arguments? So first of all, the first expression will work. First of all, expression 1 will work. Then it will check the expression 2. Then our statement will execute. And after executing the statements, our expression 3 will execute. So this is the sequence of execution of the for loop. In this sequence, you see that I have declared the variable I equal to 1. Then I am checking the condition I is less than equal to 10 or not. Then I am incrementing I plus plus, then displaying the value of I. So what happened in this for loop? First of all, it will declare the value with 1. Then again, it will checking the condition that it is greater, less than or equal to 10 or not. After that, it will print the value. Then after, your increment or decrement function will work. That is third expression will work. Then again, it will check for the first conditions. Then it will display the value, and then it will increment the value. So this is the sequence of operation of the for loop. We will see in detail in the programming section, in the programming within the code block. Then we see that next for looping statement is while loop. While loop is very simple statement, that is while and there is a condition or expression within that. If this condition or expression gets true, then the statements will execute. Otherwise, whenever the condition will get false, then we are out of the while loop. And you see that here n equal to 20, and you see that n equal to 20, and if the condition will true, like n is greater than 10, yes, because 20 is greater than 10, then the our condition will get true. Then it will display the value, and the value of n will be decremented by 1. That means it will display 20, 19, 18, and so on till 11. Whenever the value of n will 10, then this condition get false, that is 10 is greater than 10, and then while loop will terminate. This is the working nature of the while loop, and the same working of the do while. But the difference between while loop and do while is that while is the entry controlled condition looping statement. That means we in the entry the condition is checking, but do while is the exit control. That means it will execute once. Every time this loop will execute once, because we are not checking conditions at the entry time, but we are checking condition at the exit time. That means this while loop will work same as the last do while loop. This do while loop will work as the same of the while loop, but on that case the condition was checking on the entry, when this do while loop, the conditions are checking on the exit. And you see that I equal to 1, and just we are incrementing the value I and displaying the value of I till whenever I will be less than equal to 10. That means whenever the value of I will be 11, that means I plus plus, whenever I plus plus happen, and whenever the value of I will be 11, then this loop will automatically terminate. So this is the three type of looping statements. These are three types of looping statements in the C++. Now we see the programming section. That means how can we implement these programs, these while loops. So suppose that first of all I will write the program to display the value from 1 to 10 by using while loop. I will take int I, then for I equal to 1, I less than equal to 10, I plus plus, and C out, sorry, C out double less than I plus and double less than I. It will display the I. Now we will run the program. Sorry, here I forgotten semicolon. I will run the program. Zero error now displaying. So you see that I equal to 1, I equal to 2, I equal to 3, and is displaying. So this is the working of the for loop, that it will executing from 1 to 10, and it will display the value 1 to 10, that is I equal to 1, I equal to 2, and everything. Similarly, you can display the in opposite also. I will start with the I equal to 10, then I will display till I will is greater than 0, and I will put I minus minus. Then you see that the result will display like that. uh, it will display opposite. I equal to 10, 9, 8, 7 2 till 1. So this is the here I have given the slash n for the new line. So this is the working of the for loop. Similarly, these are the optional. That means I will not write here I equal to 10. I will write here I equal to 10. So this is the optional. That means there are three expression of the for loop. All three are optional. I have not written the first expression, but I have to put two semicolon. Two semicolon are must within the for argument. That means if you not write two semicolon, then it will give the syntax error. So again I will execute. Then you see that the result will be same, no problem. Similarly, you can also skip this statement also. I will write here I minus minus, then only it will work. Actually I am showing this because in the placement part of the computer science, the generally company will ask the questions by removing these statements. And again, all are optional. That means you just use see that I have just given two semicolons. Now again I will build and run. You see that this will work as a infinite loop. That means if you want to do the infinite loop, just you give the two semicolon within the brackets of the for loop. And sometime companies placement cost in the company placement question, these type of questions asked by the company by writing just two semicolon within the for loop, and they ask what will happen. Then you have to write that it is the infinite loop. And now we are using the while loop. So just you put while, then I will start with here 0, then you just I less than equal to 10, less than equal to 10, and C out less than I. And but we have to increment the value of I explicitly. In the for loop we can increment the value at the same line, but here we have to do the different statements. You see that. Now we will run the program, and you see that our again it is infinite loop. Why? Okay, I'm less than equal to 10. Now I will build the program. namespace main I equal to 0, I less than equal to 10, it's okay. Then I equal to I, it will display, then I equal to I plus 1, no problem. I will display why it is going. Okay, okay, it is actually displaying the last program. So I will stop this program, build and run. Okay, so, okay, sorry, yes, semicolon is missing. Again I will build and I will run, then you see that I equal to 0, I equal to 1, to I equal to 10 is displaying. So this is the while loop, and the same thing you can do by using do, and I will put the same condition here, I less than equal to 10. This is the exit control loop. That means the condition will checked on the exit of the loop. Now I will again run the program, and you see that the result is same. I will put here new line because all lines are displaying on the same line. I will build, and you see that I equal to 0, I equal to 2, I equal to 10. That means do while do doing the same work, but that are the entry control, and this loop is the exit control. So friends, I explained all the looping statements very easy manner to you, and now you can easily use the looping statements for calculating the factorials, Fibonacci series, and also I will in the future video I will do all these programs, and I will explain all the programs. So watch my video, regularly watch my video, like my video, and share my video with your friends and colleagues. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel Learn Tech to Tech, and also click on the bell to get all the notification of my new video. Thank you friends, and goodbye.